What?
Okay. I'm gonna park my truck underneath this tree.
Oh my word. This is amazing. I love it.
No, I'm recording it.
I don't know if it'll help it or not.
I don't know, maybe the tree will just fall on your truck.
That could be a possibility too.
That is just wicked lightning. It's non-stop.
Hey. Probably shouldn't be standing out here though.
Why?
You better chance of getting hit by lightning. Because look around here, there's like bolts of lightning.
I know, I'm catching
all
all
the
of it.
sheets.
It's amazing.
That is crazy.
Whew!
People are hurrying home.
Yep.
Ooh,
man.
That was a big bolt.
And the rumbles.
They didn't say anything about tornado. They just said damaging hail.
Well, this is, I would not be surprised if a tornado came out of this storm. With as hot as it has been,
I don't see anything swirling.
no.
Hey, you guys notice how it's swirling right there?
Where?
All right here. It's like a big old spiral.
No, I don't see that.
Where are you looking at?
Right here. This big old thing. Those clouds are coming that way. Those clouds are going that way. Those clouds are going that way. I don't know if I'm just seeing things. It just looks almost like a triangle.
It does. I'm not sure if it's swirling though.
Oh my word. There's so much lightning.
We need to get the access to the basement cleared out.
Oh,
You're gonna have your choice: spiders or tornado.
Tornado.
I'll take the tornado.
Whatever.
If you got a chain, I would chain myself to a tree.
No, you wouldn't. And then it'd take the tree.
Oh, please.
I wish.
tree
Do
like
you have your
that.
wide angle lens? Because I wish we could get the whole thing.
Yeah, same. If I had my wide angle lens just sitting here like this, I could get like all of it.
Because
But
it's
I don't
clear
have it.
over there,
Yeah, I know,
all the
it's
way
all
across.
the way over. My wide angle lens is upstairs.
It's so cool.
All the way
It
over.
like stopped moving. It was moving, and then it kind of just quit.
Yeah,
It
it's like
stalled.
all the wind just died out. It's really cool though.
It is. This is, if it was daylight out, this would be green. You see the popcorn stuff over there?
Yeah, I
Those
see it.
those like lumps?
Mhm.
That's
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, cause I don't have a motion camera, and even if I
Oh,
did,
here, I just felt the drop.
Yeah.
I got one drop of rain.
Yeah, I just felt the drop. Ooh.
Man,
I'm gonna go through.
it's gonna be wicked.
This is not good.
I'm excited.
Oh, I just don't want it to ruin my truck.
Oh, your truck will be fine.
How would it ruin your truck?
The hail.
Are we expecting hail?
Yes.
Oh,
that's what I'm
huge
saying,
hail.
it's damaging hail.
Oh, sweet.
Which, when there's hail,
Oh, look at that right there when it flashes, when lightning flashes. Look at that arch right there.
Oh,
I-
my.
oh yeah,
I don't know what that's about.
that's kind of
Actually, I'm
weird.
recording time. I'm out of space on my phone.
That's kind of weird. I don't know what that is.
I've never even heard of that before.
I don't know, but yeah, I definitely see that.
That's strange.
It's like a rainbow, but it's not a rainbow.
It's not a rainbow.
That's a death bow.
Oh no.
It's an oh-no-bow.
Are you recording sound too?
Yes. It takes all of it.
Oh no.
Oh, stop. Oh, man.
That is just wicked.
And look over there. You see that? That's a little clearing.
And this
over
spot, well, the spot right above us has gotten darker.
Well, it's because, yeah, it's moving.
It stopped and it's just gotten completely darker.
there. I mean, if you look right over
Completely
here.
darker?
Mom, come over here for a second.
Yes, completely darker.
Completely darker.
Right here. You can see the
Yeah,
clearing.
that's the edge of it.
You can see the clearing and then all the black.
Yeah.
I wonder how long the storm is.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know, but it's going to be interesting. Ooh, it's going to be interesting.
I'm excited.
That thing right there kind of worries me.
That shelf thing?
Yeah.
Oh, man, I wish it was daylight out.
I have never seen
Because that's
that
probably
before.
the wall, like a wall there.
What do you mean it is daylight?
Yeah, it's only 9 o'clock. It's not even like it just sunset just ended.
And we're the nerds that are out here.
You know, I betcha everyone here in Boonville has storms like this all the time, but they're just so used to it. And you got us people who just came in from Des Moines and we're all like, "Ooh, look at the storm!"
I want to know what they're doing over at the bar, because that's like a generator going on that I hear. And it's been going on for quite a while.
Maybe they got a bouncy house in there.
They might.
I don't know. It's in a van, whatever it is. So they might be cleaning carpet or something.
Oh,
Got
yeah.
poop on the floor.
Yeah, it might be thinking about it.
I don't know.
I see some guys in there. It almost looks like they're using a vacuum.
Didn't even think about that.
But yeah,
It is a
you can
bar.
see the ridges over there.
No, that's not the bar. That's the cafe.
I can hear the rain starting.
Yeah.
I want the hail.
No, no.